Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 9 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus 4th chapter geometry exercise 4.6 5th sum. Draw an equilateral triangle of side 6.5 centimeter and locate its incenter. Also draw the incircle. So first we will draw the rough diagram. Equilateral triangle we are asked to draw. So first we will draw that one. We'll take it as ABC. Since it is given as equilateral triangle, all the sides have the measure 6.5 centimeter. So we'll draw the original triangle now. So first one is 6.5 centimeter we'll take as the base. So that is AB. AB is 6.5 centimeter. Then we'll take 6.5 centimeter in the compass. Then with B as center, cut an arc. Then with A as center, since it is the same measurement, I'll cut it before that. Whatever arc I have drawn, in the previous arc I will cut this another 6.5 also. So I got a triangle, equilateral triangle with 6.5 centimeter as the sides. Then we are asked to locate its incenter. So for locating the incenter, we have to construct the angle bisectors. So the angle bisectors where it meets, that is the incenter. So I'll take A and B as the angle and find the bisectors for the angle. So for finding the angle bisector, I'll take with B as center, with any measurement I will cut an arc. Then from this point where that arc meets the sides of the triangle, from that side more than half I will take and then I will cut an arc. Then with the other side I will cut the previous arc. Okay. So I got an angle bisector for B. So the same procedure will be followed with A as center, with any measurement. First I will cut an arc that intersects the rays of that angle. Okay. So the point where that arc meet the sides, meet the rays, from that point I'll take more than half, then cut inside the triangle. So then with another point with the same measurement I will cut the previous arc. So I got an angle bisector for A. So angle bisector I got. So the point where both the angle bisectors meet. So I will get a point there. So for that point I need to find the perpendicular bisector. So for finding the perpendicular bisector for that, from that point I will cut an arc on the opposite side. Like this I will get 2 points. So these 2 points I got. So from that 2 points, more than half I will take and cut one arc. The another point I will cut the previous arc. So I will join the point and the arc. So I got a perpendicular line for that incenter. Okay. So now I will mark that incenter as I, with I as center, and ID as radius. This point where the perpendicular line that meets AB, that I will take it as D. That is this point. So taking ID as radius, I will draw a circle. I will draw a circle inside the triangle. Draw a circle inside the triangle. So this circle is the incircle for the given equilateral triangle. So we are asked to draw the incircle. So first I have constructed a triangle with the given measurement. Then I have constructed angle bisectors for any two sides. So I have constructed for A and B. So the point where the angle bisectors meet is I. Then for that I have drawn a perpendicular bisector to know the radius of the circle that I have to draw for the incircle. Then that I am marking it as D. Then with ID as radius, I am constructing a circle inside the triangle. Okay, so this is how incircle has to be drawn. Okay, thank you.